Why do these raccoons in Narita have such large balls? We'll stick around and we'll figure this one out together.
That's not as good because the one I was going to get had massive balls. You just got a little one. That's Putin, isn't it? This is definitely a male raccoon.
So this rather interesting statue is called a Tanuki. The Tanuki is the raccoon dog, which is an animal native to Japan. There's ancient drawings that depict the Tanuki making a blanket with its testicles, making a boat to save people, using it as a disguise, and just doing all kinds of weird stuff with their giant testicles. Now, the reason that you'll see a lot of Tanuki in Japan is because you'll actually notice them in front of shops and businesses is because it brings wealth and good luck to businesses by stretching the wealth. And the key here is stretching the wealth, because back in the day, they used to use Tanuki testicle hide to create gold leaf. So they'd put a gold nugget in the testicle hide and they would hammer it with a hammer to create gold leaf. And it was so tough that they could turn a gold nugget into a massive sheet of gold leaf and thus stretching the wealth. So that's the idea. Anyways, there's a really funny anime about this whole thing that you can watch. It's called Pom Poko, and I'm not really one for animes, but this one was really funny. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
We are in Japan for 10 hours, so might as well go ride a train. We're gonna go see if we can go to a fish market and a temple and a traditional village. We're outside Narita airport. It's the probably less exciting one, but that's where we are. I remember coming here like 3 years ago. I had to go from the other Tokyo one to this one, and yeah, that was fun. Okay, we are headed to Narita-san Shinshoji Temple, and there's a really cool walkway with old traditional buildings. That's not it yet. I mean, maybe that bridge, probably not, but we're gonna be walking along some cool shops. There's like 180 different shops to get your trinkets and whatnots. Should be a pretty fun walk. Restaurants. It's like, is it 8:30 in the morning? So we've got till 5:30 to get on the plane. Yeah, should be fun. Navigation is always a little bit of an issue in Japan if you don't speak Japanese or can't read the language. So you kind of just got to look for symbols, and most helpful is really just asking someone for help, which is also complex because a lot of people don't speak English. That's an airplane. That's Putin, isn't it? Sure is. Yep. Okay, this place looks like they make like zucchini tubes and ferment them. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, look, he's drilling out the zucchini. You want a fermented zucchini tube? Oh, this place looks good. Whatever they make. What do they make? I don't know. They're still making them. Oh yeah, those are my favorite. I thought about getting one, but I was like, what am I gonna do with it? That's not as good because the one I was gonna get had massive balls. You just got a little one. Still fun.
7-Eleven if you want to look at snacks.
Nope. Let's go to get like warm food, not 7-Eleven food. When I was on a budget, I did eat a lot of 7-Eleven, but Now I'm rich. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, now they're looking traditional. They're getting there. Okay. Oops.
Sorry. Here, if you like it.
Looks good. Oh, I love that they do the little displays. But what is some of this? It's the same plane, but it's dressed up. I'm gonna try a dorayaki, which is their version of a hotto, which is like a Korean kind of like sweet filled pancake. It looks like two pancakes. Look at that.
I usually don't like peanuts, but I do like these sometimes.
That looks like a rock.
It's black sesame.
Okay, I'll try it later.
What do you think?
Simple, not bad. I like the hotto better because it's hot.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I've had it before. But
I think it's.
something to try.
I thought it was gonna be peach, but I think it's sweet potato inside. What do you think? Sweet potato? So good. I like sweet potato. Do you think I've got a coffee? That's not a coffee. It's just hot milk. Yep. And a lactate. I got that too. But first, it's good milk. Isn't that good? It's just nice. Sometimes hot milk is better than coffee.
They serve hot milk, steamed milk at Starbucks.
Do they
It's
really?
not, yeah, it's not like it's
I've
unheard
never seen
of.
it on the menu.
Oh, you just, probably
I thought hot milk is. I thought hot milk is something you make when, I don't know, you're an old man and you want to go to sleep, so you have some hot milk before you go to sleep.
Oh, I don't know. But I guess I'm Asian, so I always thought it was a normal drink. But I
You're
didn't like
Asian.
coffee for a long time.
This is our other breakfast item. It's an egg that's raw on some somewhat raw meat with mayonnaise. Maybe it's Kewpie. I like Kewpie. All right, go ahead, Janelle. Eat some.
Can I mix? Is that okay? Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
You want some egg corn?
I have no choice but to keep watching at this point. Okay, that's... Yep. Fantastic. That's what I was hoping to see all day, actually.
This is really good.
How do you know? Have you had it before?
California. If you like this, you can get the same.
Oh, there's rice under there.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I like the sound of all that,
I
actually.
like to mix it a little bit so it's like already soaking in the rice. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to eat it, but that's how I always
That's
eat
how you eat it.
it. This is pickled. It's a small pickled dish. Most Japanese.
fish?
No, it's a pickled dish.
No,
it's
I
a
said
ginger.
fish.
Can I put it?
Yeah,
I like to put
go
it
ahead.
a little. Well, actually, what I do, I just like to eat it in between, but you
You
can't
just
put it
like
on
to
top.
eat it in general, huh?
Huh?
What?
Most Japanese dishes come with a pickled float.
That's good to know. That's a big old hunk of meat, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want the unspeakable?
Yeah, I got it. Just a little patience.
Just gonna leave the temptation right there. Just leave it right there.
I don't like to eat a lot of this.
They got that for me. They were like, here you go. She did leave with the box. Came back with that other box I had.
Wait, ready? I have
Thank you. Oh, that looks good too.
Oh, that looks good.
Maybe actually that's what the spoon's for. She does believe in me.
In a
Yeah, that's what it was. That was for the ice cream.
It was very rich and creamy and exactly what I was hoping it would be.
Oh, cool. I'm hungry too
And
now.
then this one cuts into the richness of it because it's all
I
rich
guess
on
I'm starting with dessert.
wait.
Picture. It's French bread. French toast.
Oh,
It's French toast?
very.
That's what we got?
It's a very French.
Oh. Mmm. It's good. French toast with ice cream. That's a good combo. That's really good.
I don't know.
Did you order it?
Yeah,
Chopsticks down.
I ordered it not knowing what it is. Just
And that's sweet
it looks
potato
good.
stuff. Does it come with green? Is this green tea?
I think so. I got double green tea, so go for it. One of them can be yours.
I'll be okay. What's your zodiac? This is definitely a male raccoon. You can tell. It's just very short, but huge. That's the one I want. Looks like mine. Right there's a face of confidence. Like a couple bros having a good time. He's got his hammer. You wanna look in here?
Is that bread or is that more rice?
I don't know, but we could look at it. It's okay. Well, we came here to look at stuff, so when you want to look at it, you tell me. We'll go look at whatever it is you want to look at.
Oh, they have unagi down there too.
Ah. That's a fun word. Unagi don.
It's rice bowl.
Ah.
Unagi is
Hey, what is that? What is that?
a grocery.
Oh, that's like blood sausage, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is great.
It's a grocery. Wait, it's Korean?
This is
Oh, it literally says Korea in big letters. I was too busy looking at the blood sausage. Well, I don't need any more Korean food. I'm all Korea'd out from Korea. Love these old drainage systems. It's just like a chain with cups, funnels.